Object A of mass capital M is moving east at speed v. It collides with object B of mass 2m that was initially at rest. The motion of the two objects before and after the collision is along the same line. After the collision, object A is moving west at speed v-thirds. What is the speed of object B immediately after the collision? We can classify this process as a head-on, partially inelastic collision. The initial velocity of mass m is positive v, and its final velocity is negative v/3. The initial velocity of mass 2m is 0, and we wish to determine its final velocity. In the equation of conservation of linear momentum, we have m times v is equal to m times negative v/3 plus 2m times final velocity. With a little algebra, we get 2m times final velocity is m times 4/3 of v. Thereafter, the final velocity on the second mass is 2/3 v. This is clearly option C.